So what's up, guys? Killian and I are out early in the morning. Last night we were flying a drone out and we were looking in everybody's backyard. And less than a mile from our house, we find a backyard that has a couple of ramps in it. So we're gonna try to sneak over there and see if we can grab a ride or something. We think this family's out of town now. We've been watching their house. Right, Killian?
Yeah.
You down?
Yeah.
I didn't bring my board yet. The boy here is gonna try it. We're gonna see how that goes. I hope they don't catch us. It's a Sunday, so most people are at church, but we think we're okay. Let's do it. Let's do it! Right now, we're just pulling up to the house. Okay, gotta park. Be back in a minute. All right, Killian, let's go. Oh, shoot. There's a beware of dog sign. Walk. Come on, man. We got to get up there. There's a beware of dog sign. Let's go see. Let's go see. I don't know. I don't know. Should we go? Pull it. Go see what's back there. See what's back there. What the heck, dude? There is a ramp. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Oh, there is a ramp over here. Man, look at this. Whew. Yeah. Okay, just set your stuff down right there. Let's get some rides. No, wait, we got caught. Look at this, guys. So we built this a couple weeks ago. It's a 3-footer. It's 10 foot wide. We had a little problem here. We didn't quite finish the sheeting, and the reveal on the coping ended up being a little off in the middle. So we got to try to figure out what's going on and fix it. But this side came out really good. Shoot you down the rail. Pretty nice. I think it came out perfect on this side, but yeah, we got to get this dialed in. This ramp here is 20 feet wide, 4 feet tall, with a 5-foot extension over there. And this is actually not skate light. It's called gator skins. It's a little more affordable skate surface. It starts out green, and after it's been in the sun a while, I think this ramp's been back here about a year. But yeah, that's what it looks like later on. There's my boy up there. Peace. Right. You hear that, YouTube? You hear that, guys? 22 and 5/8, and the other end 22. That's for our 8-foot piece. It's slightly out of square.
See your mark.
But it's okay. Boom. Just 22 and 5/8 you're doing first?
I don't know that I really want this to be visible, the mark.
Oh, just put a little mark on it. We might get sloppy if you don't. He's marking the ends. We'll see how this goes, guys. All right. Well, we're under. If we screwed up for some weird reason, we got another half. Because half of 4 feet is 2 feet. 22. All right. So now
we got to add. What did I say that width the curve of the saw was?
Inch and a. Did you say an inch and a half? Inch and a
Take
quarter?
under an inch and a half, I think.
So now we're gonna clamp this down, so we can just run the saw.
Just under an inch and a half.
Look at Killian over there, dividing screws. He's been out here for a couple hours. He's been a good kid. He's like a little construction kid. Let's sneak up on Killian. He spotted me. He spotted me, guys. Let's see what he's doing. Look at that. Look at, dude, they all match. You've done awesome, dude. Boom, so helpful. You're rad. Did I finish my water? No, my water's on the pancake grill. Is that what it's called?
A griddle, I believe.
My water's on the griddle. Look at this. Barry has some cool stuff out here. Check this out. How many people have that on their back porch? Cooking some outdoor waffles. I don't even know what you cook on a griddle. I don't know how to make a pancake, dude. It's pretty sad. Embarrassingly, I can't cook chicken on a barbecue. I can do a hamburger though, but I can't make a hamburger.
That's actually probably about right.
It's tough because you got to remember where the blade is. So you're just adding 1.5 inches?
But tick under 1.5 inches.
Tick under 1.5 inches.
So it's actually pretty close. Pretty say.
This is the kind of cut you want to do one time because once you lose that other sheeting, it's hard. Then you can't guide it anymore.
Yeah.
It's really important we measure this part perfect. You don't waste $100 piece of skate light. Plus gator skin. Plus you don't realize it's $300 to pay shipping on that stuff on top of it. Was that about $100 a sheet?
Yeah, a little over. Shipping's real high.
How much over a sheet?
Probably about 130.
Okay, correction. 130 a sheet and 300 to ship, right?
Well, that's including shipping. What I had to do.
Oh,
yeah.
130 a sheet includes shipping, right? But you got to order what he did. So I'm not going to get into the details.
Less.
See, Barry's an engineer, so I'm not involved in this. I'm not allowed. I wing things. That's what got us here to this point.
Yeah, you're a little.
I'm good at thinking on the fly. Let's check and see if Mama's called. Hey, honey. We're sweating. Have some magnesium ready for me in a cup. I have sweat worse today than I think I did the day we pulled a 9-hour shift out here. Yeah, it's more muggy. You know in that that warning, the heat warning you got on your phone yesterday? When we ended up walking to the pool, that was legit. That was seriously kind of sketchy amount of heat and sweat. Yeah, we thought it was... Yeah. Hey, do me a favor.
Hey, what up, guys? Be sure to hit the like button for me.
That was perfect. You guys
Thanks.
heard it. That's the boss. All right, they'll appreciate that. They'll all hit the like button. We'll have 100 likes on this video. Maybe. I got the camera pointing at us, measuring the last piece.
Second to last. We got one more after this.
We ended up fixing it right, and like Barry's gonna be really happy because he was ready to cut corners, and I said no. So the saw's gonna run. So we're almost done. Okay, hon? Okay, love you. Bye. You short?
No, I should make it a little shallower. Yeah, I'm cutting
Oh.
the grass. I mean, you think it's okay to put it on the grass like that, don't you?
I always cut into my grass hardcore.
Yeah, I don't mind cutting the grass. I just meant. Oh, so you just keep it like it is, you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, you're not gonna hurt St. Augustine.
Well, I don't want to bind on the shoulder.
You're gonna aerate it maybe at worst.
Yeah, dude, I cut the grass with my lawn. So you're not gonna-
Maybe I'll put my foot on this edge. That might help a little, huh?
Yeah.
Just hold that. For some reason, I feel like it got turned backwards, though.
I think you missed the flip.
We'll see. You probably flipped it the way I wasn't ready for.
Yeah. Either that or you're right and I'm confused. finished. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you. 50% chance you're right. Maybe better.
Oh yeah, you did it right. Good. Good. Perfect. Woo! All right, Barry had it right. He flipped it right. That's perf. Perfectime. Killian, you're gonna get to roll on this. I didn't bring a board. But you know, Citizen Z, he wants us to do more sessions on your ramp, Barry. Did you see that?
I did see that. Anytime, man.
What up, dudes? Here it is. There's Killian. He's gonna try dropping in. So this is a 3-footer. It's 10 foot wide. This is gator skins. Gator skins. $130 a sheet, approximately. Covered the shipping. And Killian, jump up there. Let's see it, dog. You want to do it with my help or no?
Do you think I need help?
I don't think you do. Go ahead. Yeah. Woo. There you go, dude. Hit the like button, dude. Nice. All right. Want to try one more?
Yeah.
Try one more. It's good that I spot you over there. Feel comfortable with that. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. See if you can hit it like you do at home. Yeah. Yes, solid. Solid. That's a 50 rock. Good job, buddy. With the jab in there. All right. Let Daddy jump on there and see if I can get a nice stall.
Yeah, good, Killian. You killed it, man. So basically, got the ball for you.
Dude, the bonk is perfect on that side.
On which side?
Both. This side especially, it pops you right into a turn.
Okay.
Like, building's nice. Feeble.
Look good, man.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Can I try again?
We're ramp builders too, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Solid. Nice. Yeah. Woo! Good one. Looking good. Jump off so we can get more of them on camera. Sweet. All right, let's do another one. Yeah. Good job. Way to get up there. Yeah. Yeah. You want to try the big ramp on one? One drop in? It's no, it's the same as the shallow end. We got a little juice. Let's get one drop in on the big ramp. You guys want to see him hit the big ramp? We'll get one drop in. We'll put the camera on this side. Those boards are all fine.
Sure.
Yeah. We'll put the camera. We got just a hair more juice left. Killian. Okay, right there. Climb up on that side. Push these back a little. Okay. You got lots of ramp here. Okay. Yeah. I saw that look of soap in your face. Take turn and come back. Yeah. Alright, let's do another drop in.
I think he does well on that width, man.
Yeah, he's liking that he has the room to. Let's try another drop. Put him back on his little board. Alright. I'm gonna just stand here. I think you got it. You want to take my hand the first time? Okay, I'll grab your hand. You got it, buddy. I'm going to take your hand. You take my hand. Deal? You little bugger. Good, Billy. Alright, you got to do one more with no hand here. Without Daddy being in your way. I'm going to get all the way out of the way. Here you go, guys. Click the light. Click the light. Yeah. Nice, bud. Woo. How's it feeling?
Ah, good. I gotta spend some time on it.
What's up behind you? Alright, we're done. Can you take the pack off, Jillian? What up, guys? First time on a ramp 3 foot, first time on a ramp 4 foot. He's only 7. Hit the like button.